In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Viva Video. So if you want to add music on your projects, on your new videos, then this is a video you don't want to miss because I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. So first of all, you want to open the app, of course, and then you want to click on Edit Video, or basically open the project that you've been working on. I'm just going to select this clip, and then once you're here, you'll see all of these features, right? You'll see themes, music, clip and edit, text, and filters. Then of course you want to click on music, and then as you can see right there, this blue layer will say add music. Click on it, and it's then going to show you all of these songs that you can choose from online. So you can go through these different categories or whatever you want to call that. So you can choose them, or you can also click on your music, and then you can choose from your music on your device. So I'm just gonna click on that song, then click on use right there, then click on got it. So you can also play around with this. You can trim it right there. So let's say, for example, you only want to use that song for the first 10 seconds. You can then drag it all the way to the beginning, and then right there, you can then start doing voiceovers or add more music if you want to. So that's pretty much how you can do this. So if you click on that music icon again, once again, you can use even more. Now that's pretty much how to add music on Viva Video. If you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you're going to use this, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.